Spending hours dragging boxes in Figma, but still stuck with bland designs? What if AI could craft your UI UX in minutes, saving you weeks of iteration? Based on my hands-on tests, I'll show you 4 game-changing tools: Banani, Figma Make, Google Stitch, and Sketchflow. From free tiers to experimental modes, these 2025 launches turn ideas into production-ready designs fast. Let's get started. This is the main interface of Banani AI. The link is in the description. You can select between a private design or create a team for collaboration on the same design. Now, choose the platform for your UI design, either mobile or desktop. You can also select whether you want a quality design, which takes a bit longer to generate but looks better, or a speed design, which is faster but with lower quality. Next, you can select the style you want for your design, and last but not least, you can upload a reference image if you have any. But first, write a detailed prompt including every detail you want in the design. Select your preferred platform, choose Quality Design, and select the style according to your logo. I'll generate a new style for you. Then click Generate. Now, wait for Banani AI to generate the design specifications for you. Go through them carefully, and once you think the specs are okay, click Generate again and sit back while your design is created right in front of your eyes, without you doing any work. The best part? You don't need any design skills to generate this. You can even create a prompt by asking ChatGPT or other AI tools. Just describe your product idea, and this amazing tool will generate the UI for you. This AI tool will only generate one screen at first. Then, you can choose which screen to generate next by simply clicking on a component in the screen, and it will generate the next screen according to your prompt and style preferences. You get the idea. Just click on a component and let Banani generate the next screen for you. Keep generating as many screens as you want until you have the complete application UI. Once you're satisfied with the final screens, click the Export button in the top right corner. Select the export format between PNG or JPG, and click Export to download all screens for free. This is the main interface of Google Stitch. The link is in the description. It is a completely free AI tool that provides 2 modes, Standard Mode and Experimental Mode. It offers UI design generation for both mobile and web platforms. When you select Standard Mode, you can copy the final design to Figma for additional edits. However, the quality of the UI design will be lower, and you won't be able to upload any sketches or inspirations. If you switch to Experimental Mode, you can upload sketches and inspirations, but you won't be able to copy the UI to Figma for editing. On the other hand, the quality of the UI design will be much higher. So, choose the mode accordingly. I'll select Mobile App as the platform and switch to Experimental Mode for better quality. Then, I'll paste the same prompt I used in Banani AI for UI design generation and click Generate Designs. Now, wait until Google Stitch generates the description of all the screens. You can review it, and if everything looks good, just reply with yes and wait for it to generate the user interface. Once it's done, you can click on the Edit button and write a prompt to make changes. Click on the Theme button to customize the appearance of the interface. You can change the color, corner radius, and font. Click on the Expand icon to view the design, and then click on the Code button to view the generated code. In Experimental Mode, you cannot export the design to Figma for edits. The Code button serves the same purpose if you ever need access to the code. Click on the plus icon to generate a different variant of the same screen. Use the 3 dots icon to download or delete the screen. Lastly, if you think there are any missing screens, you can use the prompt bar on the left side and write a prompt describing the screen you want to generate. For example, if I need sign-in and sign-up pages for my app, I'll write the prompt accordingly. Once you're satisfied with all the screen UI designs, you can download each screen by clicking on the 3 dots icon. Sketchflow is a paid tool, but you can still use it to generate amazing user interfaces for inspiration. You can generate designs either by image or by description. I'll paste the same prompt here as well. First, select the platform, web, mobile, desktop, or tablet. Then, choose the resolution and click on the send icon. Now wait for Sketchflow to generate a complete workflow of the design. The workflow includes every single page, from the splash screen to main features, and even the logout page. If you purchase the tool, you'll be able to generate all the screens, but in the free version, you can only generate up to 5 pages. So, I'll select the 5 most important screens for my design and click on the Generate Interface button. Next, you can select a style from the available options or write a custom style description of your choice, and then click on the Generate Interface button again. Once the interface is generated, you can click on the Workflow button at the top to view and edit the workflow according to your needs. After reviewing the workflow, you can go back to the Design interface and check other screens. By clicking the Sample Images button, you can generate preview images for the current page. You can also click on Elements, then go to the Design tab in the top right corner to change different properties based on your requirements. If you want to export the design or make detailed edits, I recommend purchasing the Pro version of the tool. However, even in the free version, you can still use Sketchflow to create prototypes and UI designs for inspiration. Search for Figma Make on Google and click on the first link that appears. Using Figma Make, you can generate UI designs and even working prototypes by connecting Supabase for the backend. Click on the prompt bar, write your prompt in detail, but I'll paste the same prompt I used earlier, and then click on the send icon. Now, go to the bottom left corner, paste the same prompt again, and click on the send icon. Figma Make will start generating your design, as well as a working prototype. Later, you can connect the backend to fully test your app before making it production ready. Once the design is ready, review the layout and the functionality of each component. Check different sections of your app, such as toggle switches and buttons. After going through the entire design, if you feel something needs to be changed, simply select the mouse icon from the bottom left corner, then click on the component, button, or text you want to modify. You can change the design using a prompt, or adjust its style through the pop-up menu, which includes basic style options like font size, bold, italic, underline, and spacing. Once you've made your changes, click on the Copy Design icon in the top right corner to edit the design and appearance of your app directly in Figma. Now, click on the Settings button, select Supabase from the right menu bar, and connect the backend to your design to make it a fully functional prototype. That's all for this video. If you found this useful, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content on AI tools and trends.